Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to set up Kodi on your Apple TV in 2026, step by step. Kodi is a powerful media player that lets you stream movies, TV shows, music, and more all in one place. Step 1. Check your Apple TV model. Kodi can be installed on Apple TV 4th generation or later. Make sure your Apple TV is connected to Wi-Fi and updated to the latest tvOS version. Step 2. Download Xcode on your Mac. To install Kodi on Apple TV, you need a Mac. Open the App Store on your Mac and download Xcode, which is free and required to sideload apps onto Apple TV. Step 3. Download Kodi IPA file for tvOS. Visit the official Kodi website on your Mac and download the Kodi IPA file for tvOS. This is the file we will install on your Apple TV. Step 4. Connect Apple TV to Mac. Use a USB-C or USB-A to USB-C cable to connect your Apple TV to your Mac. Open Xcode and select your Apple TV as the target device. Step 5. Create a free Apple developer account. Sign in to Xcode using a free Apple developer account. This allows you to sideload Kodi without paying for a developer subscription. Step 6. Sideload Kodi using Xcode. In Xcode, create a new project and select the downloaded Kodi IPA file. Follow the on-screen instructions to build and install Kodi onto your Apple TV. Step 7. Trust the app on Apple TV. Once installed, go to Settings, General, Device Management on Apple TV, and trust your developer account. This lets Kodi run without issues. Step 8. Open Kodi and start streaming. Launch Kodi from the Apple TV home screen. You can now browse add-ons, stream movies, TV shows, and organize your media library directly on Apple TV. And that's it. Kodi is now set up on your Apple TV, giving you endless media and streaming options. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our step-by-step tutorials.